Hello and welcome. This video tutorial demonstrates how to create a server task that generates a report on the number of computers in a given dynamic group. To begin, log into the ESET Remote Administrator web console. Navigate to Admin, Server Tasks, and click New. In the Basics section, name the task Active Threats Report. From the Task drop-down menu, select Generate Report. Expand Settings and click No Report Template Selected. From the list, select Active Threats in the Antivirus Threats category. Click OK. In Report Delivery, select the checkbox next to Save to File. Click the Relative File Path text window. Choose Current Date. Type a \, and then select Current Time. Expand Show Print Options and verify that output format is set to PDF. Expand the Triggers section and click Add New. Give the trigger the name PCs with Active Threats Trigger. Expand the Settings section. From the Trigger Type drop-down menu, select Dynamic Group Members Changed. Under Dynamic Group, click Select, and from the list, select Computers with Active Threats. Click OK. Now expand Advanced Settings - Throttling and scroll down to the Statistical Criteria section. At least one statistical rule is met, or for statistical criteria application. 10 for triggered every number of occurrences. 5 for number of occurrences within a time period. And 2 hours for time period. Click Finish twice. This report will now be generated only when the number of members in a dynamic group changes 10 times total or 5 times in a 2-hour time period.